Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Good afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are doing great. Today, I'm truly honored and delighted to stand here. It's a great pleasure for me to say something before you. I'll try my level best to deliver my short speech on today's topic. And the topic is benefits of the internet. Now, I'll be exploring the many benefits of the internet in various aspects of our lives and continues to drive innovation and progress. The most important benefits of the internet is free and fast access to an information. I like it especially because by the internet I can chat and talk with different people around the world. A student can learn about foreign colleges and universities. The detailed admission procedure, tuition fee, academic calendar, academic curriculum, etc. are usually found in the website for our college or our universities. The internet is not only useful for communication or education, it's also useful for business. The internet causes massive globalization and the world business develops rapidly because of it. So we should try to boost our business via the internet. That's why I can say that the internet has truly revolutionized our world, bringing countless benefits. It is enhancing our communication by exchanging information within a nanosecond. I hope in my presentation has highlighted how the internet can be a powerful tool for all kinds of human beings. That's all about my presentation for the time being. Thank you very much for listening patiently. Thank you.